Alright, so we have been without power for like 7 hours now. I'm by a candle. That's what I'm using for lighting right now. We just have candles around the house because the power's out. I'm about to go outside, see what it's like. I think the whole block doesn't have any power. Hurricane Matthew messed us up. At least I got a flashlight for my taser. My dog got scared. It's okay. Alright, so we're going outside. See who has power and who doesn't. We've been out power for like 7 hours now. 7, 8 hours. Going on it. It's gonna be a first night without power. Seems like across the street has power. You can't see it on the camera. It's too dark out here. Let me see if I can switch to another setting. Alright, so across the street has power. Like literally across my driveway. But everybody on my side of the street does not have power. I'm pretty sure they haven't had power for a few hours too. Flashlight. Like literally right across, here's my driveway. Right across my driveway, there's freaking power. Like you can see across the street, they have lights on outside their houses. And on my side, it's just completely dark. Everything's fucked up, man. Trees everywhere. I'm surprised the stop sign is still here. I'm just walking out here like it's walking on the beach. Trying to see if I can show y'all some damage. If you guys can see it. You guys can't see it. This is a tree that's down. Over here, there's another tree that's down. There's another fallen tree. Yeah, man, there's trees everywhere. Oh shit, and there's a tree up there that's just, I can't see it. It's snapped. Completely snapped. Down, not as strong as before. I think I'm getting like Matthew's outer part. Yeah, that wasn't a good experience to go through. I can't believe what Haiti went through.
And you know she stole that ass on me. I don't want that girl cause she want me cause the cash on me. Yeah, you know she capping, homie.